Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 cable is damaged, you may have noticed that it doesn't work properly. This could be causing your vacuum to lose power intermittently or even stop functioning altogether. Ignoring this issue might lead to further electrical problems or even damage to the internal components of your device, making the repair more complicated and costly. To fix this, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, wire cutters, electrical tape, and a replacement cable specifically for the Dyson HD01. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged. Locate the screws that hold the casing together. These are usually found at the back of the unit. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing off to expose the internal components. The damaged cable will typically be connected to the power supply. Look for any frayed or exposed wires which indicate where the fault lies. If necessary, use your wire cutters to carefully detach the damaged cable from the power supply. Take your replacement cable and connect it to the same terminals where the old one was attached. Make sure you match the colors correctly, usually live to live and neutral to neutral. Once secured, wrap the connections with electrical tape to ensure they are insulated and safe. Be cautious as you work around other components. You don't want to accidentally damage anything nearby. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the cable, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Carefully place the casing back on, ensuring all components are aligned correctly. Reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but take care not to over-tighten as this can strip the threads. Now, plug in your Dyson HD01 and switch it on to verify that it functions properly. If everything works as expected, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid yanking the cord while unplugging and ensure it's stored properly when not in use. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of wear and tear to catch issues early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.